In this video, we're going to take a look at Google TV, Apple TV, and Android TV to see which one is better. So, from the start, basically, Google TV runs on Android because they own it, so you don't have to actually get the Android TV because if you get the Google TV, everything is will be included, and you have over 10,000 apps. So you have the biggest streaming platforms. You have live TV, you have music, you have fitness, you have movies and shows, and much more. Then you have Apple TV. So if you want to look for exclusive series, you can go with Apple TV because what is here will not automatically be on Google TV. So that's based on your preferences. So maybe you have some series that you want to watch and are only available with Apple TV. You could go with that. So it's all based on your needs. So basically you have to choose between Google TV and Apple TV. You can forget about Android TV. You don't have to buy it if you buy Google TV. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.